True ice makers are the most efficient and advanced on the market. With several unique features, a True machine takes the guesswork out of creating excellent ice every batch. Upon each startup, True ice makers go through a diagnostics routine which verifies function of every sensor and component. During startup, we fill, wash, and drain the system before the first batch of ice is made. Our precise fill routine carefully fills the sump with an exact amount of water using our no-touch water level sensing technology. The water exits the system via gravity to allow for a fully drained sump and reduced mineral buildup inside the unit. Our controller monitors every facet of the system and automatically adjusts the operation of our variable speed components to maintain optimal efficiency and minimize slushing. Ice is made on our patented sanitary evaporator, True Encapsulate, designed and insulated for efficiency and completely sealed from contamination. Shorter harvest times give True ice makers the lowest energy consumption in the industry. Additionally, when water scaling occurs, ice making continues longer than any ice maker on the market, reducing the demand for periodic cleaning. True ice makers are charged with R290 propane, the most efficient and environmentally friendly refrigerant on the market. The compressors run lower pressures than other systems, and when coupled with our microchannel condenser technology and multi-speed ECM fans, the result is the quietest ice makers available on the market, perfect for hotels, offices, and front-of-house applications. Harvested ice falls into one of the cleanest storage areas available, fully lined with antimicrobial substance to inhibit the growth of bacteria and mold. Our time-of-flight ice level technology monitors bin levels in real time and allows you to set the precise ice level needed. When coupled with our True Connect application, you can be sure to never run out of ice. The system sends push notifications anytime there's a low ice level, cleaning reminder, or service alert. Cleaning is a breeze with our one-piece water distributor, which requires no tools for removal. An automatic cleaning sequence guides you through the steps and automatically returns to making ice once complete. For the highest quality in ice maker manufacturing, choose True.